Hi, this is the main park in Varadero with a pool in the middle with some kind of boats with a lot of restaurants, bars. And this is a train for the kids and adults that goes around the park. The price for the train is 50 pesos for the child under 12 and 120 pesos for adult. It's very beautiful. There are a lot of palm trees, there are bridges. The park is it's a decent size, but it's easy to walk, and there is a playground at the end of the park. The train is in a very good condition, so it looks safe, and we like it. The kids love the train. So there are several restaurants here. The restaurant, here's another one. I don't actually don't know the prices for the restaurant. We will have lunch at the hotel. So this is Italian restaurant, and there are geese walking around. Oh, look at this! Chickens. Little chickens. Yeah, so train goes around the park. And the ride is probably around 15 minutes.